Okay, YouTube, I'm going to bring you a cool experiment we did in science class a couple days ago. You put Ivory soap in a microwave for a couple minutes, and I'll show you the effects. So, instead of wasting a whole lot of butter, I just chopped off a little piece. Put it on my plate. That might help if I plug my unit back in. So, as that's happening, I'm sorry there's no lights in here, but what you'll see when it comes back out will be magnificent. It'll be pretty cool. Now remember, it originally looked like this, except for it didn't have that cut because I took this off. Okay, it's already good. There you go. Bon appetit. It's just hot, malted soap. There's still, yeah. They go a little longer. But the moral of this story I'm trying to get across to you is the heat makes the density increase and the volume makes the volume increase and density decrease as it makes the soap expand. As you can see here, it's all done now. This is all it is. It's just hot soap. And it is kind of hot, but it cools off quickly. Like, right now, it's sustainable for your hands. See, it's already... Whew, shit. Sorry, I just got a hot spot there. Jesus. Right in this spot is like extremely hot, guys. But anyways. Just thought I'd show you that.